आवाज नहीं।
A very happy morning to all of you present over here. This is me, Vartika. I welcome you all to this beautiful morning, and I take this opportunity to welcome you all. Celebrating our farewell party. Alok, don't you feel like it's very early saying goodbyes to our seniors?
No, I don't think so. Farewell is not to say goodbye. Although, think how lucky we are. Because we have so many people to make our goodbye so hard.
Yes, Alok, you are right. Our memories will last for years, and we will realize that this was the best time we have spent, and we will miss all our seniors.
People say that we are words with a group song.
So please give a big round of applause for next program.
हेलो
तू जो रूठा तो कौन हंसेगा, तू जो छूटा तो ये डर लगता है, अपना मुझको अब कौन कहेगा, तू ही बचा तेरे बिना तू जो छूटा तो कौन रहेगा। चुप है तो ये डर लगता है, अपना मुझको अब कौन कहेगा, तू ही बचा तेरे बिना बेवजह बेकार हूँ मैं, तेरा यार हूँ मैं, तेरा यार हूँ मैं।
सर आपको बढ़िया कंटेंट मिल गया है।
ये दोस्ती हम नहीं तोड़ेंगे, तेरा साथ ना छोड़ेंगे। ये दोस्ती हम नहीं तोड़ेंगे, तोड़ेंगे तेरा साथ ना छोड़ेंगे।
देंगे तुझे जाने नहीं, देंगे तुझे जाने नहीं, देंगे तुझे जाने तुझे जान तुझको रब जाने, हम नरम से डरने वाले राह
So now I would like to call our respected director sir to share
Thank you, class 11th and 12th, who gave me opportunity to come here on the stage. My dear students of class 12, you have passed a very long time here in this school. Many of you have passed even 12 years, 14 years. Some are studying from class LKG, UKG and class 1. Not some, but many. You know how many? Around 84 students are there who have studied from LKG, UKG and class 1. I have not taken the record of other classes of primary section, but if I take, then I think it will go 100 or more than 100. So you have passed a very important phase of your life here in the school. And now this is the time to depart from us, and this is the time to depart from your parents. You will now find a new world, and in that, that will be actually your testing, real testing. When you will leave your parents, when you will leave your school, when you will leave your teachers, that will be real testing. That how you behave outside. Outside, you need to have a lot of self-control, and you have to be very good in making decisions. That is very important. There will be lots of things which will attract you. But now you have to think that what you have to do and what you have to achieve. And remember one thing, if you want to get 100% success, then you have to be very good in time management. That is very important. If you can manage time, if you can keep your timings according to your work, then that will be the best, and then you will get 100% success. All of you will be, if not all, then many of you will be your parents also and teachers also. So that will be the time for your real testing. I don't want to take your much time. I just want to say that first thing is that time management. Keep your timings very properly. And number 2, always remember God. Whatever you do, you have to remember God. God is everywhere. Wherever you are, you can remember God. And that is, the God will definitely help you. If you want to achieve anything, remember God and do your hard work. Whatever you can do, you do. Then definitely you can achieve success. And always be truthful. Truthful to your parents particularly. Don't hide anything from them. Because they have lots of hope from you. Even if you have committed any mistake, then admit it in front of the parents. They are your parents also, and they are your friends also. So don't hide anything. And wherever possible, you help the needy persons when you go out. Whether if you can help in any way, then you should help them. Now, you are going to appear in the board examination. So for that, I know that you all are knowing, but I just want to remind you, read your paper very properly and thoroughly. And attempt every question. Don't leave any question. Even if you don't know the answer of any question, don't leave that question. Write something, because it is the instruction of the board to the examiners that if the child has written any line of that question, then give marks. So you write, attempt that question. Don't leave any question. So I hope that you will achieve very good marks in the examination, in board examination. And I still hope that you will achieve 80% above. Everybody. Maybe some of you will achieve 90, 95%. But I hope that every one of you will get 80%. And still there is time. You don't think the time has not gone. If you have not studied, then you cannot do anything. Still there is time. So please be serious if you are not serious. And the second thing, that always be a disciplined boy, whether outside or here. Shouting or hurting anyone, this is not the culture of Sharfaiz and not the culture of your parents also. So I wish you all for a very successful future and very successful class 12th examination. May God bless you all. Thank you very much.
Respected director sir, vice principal ma'am, respected teachers and all my dear seniors. Seniors are like mentor for us, seniors are like protection for us. You all are equal for us, but there are some certain titles, Mr. Farewell, Miss Farewell and Student of the Year. For giving this flash from Mr. Farewell, I would like to call on the stage respected Haq sir, please come on the stage and give this flash to the student. Any guesses?
Can you guess anything? I am giving the clue. This is from biology group. Is none other than Pratik Tiwari. Now this one from 12th A2 and he is none other than Adesh Srivastava.
Thank you everyone for selecting me as Mr. Farewell. It is a blessing from all of you and I am highly obliged from all of you. Thank you everyone.
Give up your bag, make applause for him. Now this is time for Miss Farewell. I would like to...
मजा
Good morning, everyone. Say loudly. Nice. So, she is from 12A2. Can you guess the name of the girl?
Gauravi.
Any guesses? Any guesses? Who? You are right. She is Gauravi Tiwari.
Thank you everyone for this Miss farewell, and I am very happy that I am part of this school. And thank you all the teachers and all the directors or principals. Thank you.
Now this is time for the Student of the Year. I would like to call on the
Who is class teacher of 12th A2? Dilip Tripathi.
Shukla sir.
Shukla sir. Oh, Shukla sir. So that person is from 5th class, Shukla sir. And the name is Riya Raya.
Ika.
I told you that many of the students, they are studying from LKG, UKG, class 1 and from primary sections. I have selected 3 students who were nominated here and I want to call them. Adesh Srivastava, 12th A2. He is studying from LKG, right? Want any friendly or friendly to call me? Would you like to?
I would like to call my teacher Shukla.
Shukla sir?
Madhuri ma'am.
Madhuri ma'am.
Madhuri ma'am.
Please come. In class. Madhuri ma'am was his class teacher in class 5th. why he is standing here. Of 12th B, Pratik Tiwari. Absent. Okay, then third one is Khushi Gupta, again of 12th B. Khushi Gupta present. She is also absent. Okay then. I had brought chocolates for them also, but now I will have to eat together.
झूठा चगरेन बसेरा साचा दर्द मेरा मृग तृष्णा सामोह तेरा नाता मेरा तेरा नैना जो सांझ ख्वाब देखते थे नैना बिछड़ के आज रो दिए हैं नैना थे आसमान के सितारे नैना पल में छिपे हैं जुदा हुए कदम जिन्होंने तेरे कसम मिलके चलेंगे हरदम अब बांटते हैं ये गम भीगे नैना तेरा आसमान के सितारे नैना ग्रहण में आज टूटते हैं सांस हैरान है मन परेशान है हो रही सी क्यों रुआसा ये मेरी जान है क्यों निराशा से है आस हारी हुई क्यों सवालों का उठासा दिल में तूफान है नैना कभी जो धूप सेकते थे नैना ठहर के छाँव ढूंढते हैं नैना थे आसमान के सितारे नैना ठहर के छाँव ढूंढते हैं जुदा हुए कदम जिन्होंने तेरे कसम मिलके चलेंगे हरदम अब बांटते हैं ये गम भीगे नैना जो सांझ ख्वाब देखते थे नैना घुटन में करके नीचते हैं घुटन में करके नीचते हैं घुटन में करके नीचते हैं
Respected coordinator ma'am, Neha Qureshi ma'am, please come on the stage.
See, there is no nominations in this. The person who is sitting on that particular stool where L is written, that particular student is the lucky student of the day. And it is in the fifth row, the one who is wearing specs, yellow one, black sari, the one who is wearing black sari, yes. Please come on your stool at the back. L was written. This was something planned by class 11 students. That student will be declared as the lucky student of the day. So this is cheating. Who has done this? You people have changed the stool. Very bad, very bad. This, come.
Give up your big hand for her.
Rifa Shoaib. So, Rifa Shoaib of class 12B. So, lucky student of the day awarded with a small token of love from our side. Good morning, all of you. Maybe this is the last time we are saying you good morning formally. After that, whenever you will be coming, you will not be getting this aura. We all will miss you. In this context, our manager ma'am, she also wanted to speak something, but due to her ill health, she is not able to come. But she has asked me to say a few words, which is actually penned down by her only. She wanted me to read it for you all. Dear students of class 12, you are going to appear in your board examination. My good wishes are with you all. When you will leave the school, which is your second home, then only you will see the world till now. You all were under your affectionate teachers. They always treated you like your parents, always ready to guide you. I am sure that you will prove yourself as a good citizen of your country. Our farewell today are not a bleak end. Rather, they signify a golden age of new beginnings. May this golden age be filled with prosperity, success and more happiness than you can ever imagine. If you really love your school, your parents, then I'm sure that you can and you will shine in your life. Here she wanted to quote few lines by our founder manager ma'am, late Madam Saida Faiz. We believe in imparting our students a sound, moral, emotional, intellectual, physical and social education on which pillars of Shahfaz Public School stands. So children should always keep this in their mind. And I'm just ending her words with two lines. कुछ इस तरह से जियो, कुछ इस तरह से जियो, रूहे गुलिस्तां बनकर तुम्हारे बाद तुम्हारी महक चमन में रहे. With this, I would like to conclude the words of manager ma'am, and all her blessings are with you all. Now I would like to give little pain to our director sir, and I would request him to come over the stage. I hope one student is remembering that he has secured full marks in Spell B but could not be awarded. That is Ardish of class 12A2. So, today we are going to distribute the prize and the medals for the sports also. To start with Kabaddi Boys Senior, the runners-up, I will be calling only the captain to take away the certificates and the medals. So for the runners, the captain is Abhinav Kumar Rai. Abhinav, please come. And other participants, I'm just taking out the names. Alok Ranjan Yadav, Aman Singh, Akansh Singh, Shivansh Yadav, Divya Rai, Arsh Raghuvanshi, Arihan Srivastava, Aditya Chauhan, Ayan Abbas. A big round of applause. So Abhinav will be distributing the certificates now. The winner, captain is Shivam Kumar Rai. Shivam, please come. And the other students of this group is Abhijit Singh, Priyanshu Yadav, Satyam Rai, Artish Yadav, Harshvardhan Singh, Vaibhav Singh, Mayank Kumar Rai, Divakar Rai, Ibrahim, Himanshu Tiwari and Shivam. Winner hai bhai. Clapping. Now, Kho-Kho boys senior, the runners, captain is Pranjal Pathak. I would request Pranjal Pathak to please come over here. And other participants were Vaibhav Singh, Artish Yadav, Shivam, Abhijit Singh, Harshvardhan Singh, Surya Singh, Kushagra Yadav, Priyanshu Yadav, Harshit Vishwakarma, Mayank Rai and Ayan Abbas. The winner of Kho-Kho boys senior, Captain Arsh Raghuvanshi. Other students are Aman Singh, Shivansh Yadav, Alok Ranjan Yadav, Piyush Singh, Akansh Singh, Divya Rai, Abhinav Rai, Himanshu Tiwari, Sajal Srivastava, Divakar Rai, Harshvardhan and Shivam Kumar Rai. Now it's Kabaddi Girls Senior. The captain of the runner house is Vanshika Rai. Vanshika Rai, and the other participants are Shrishti, Priyanshi, Alnas, Sana, Pragalbha, Shruti and lastly Shruti Srivastava. The winner of Kabaddi Girls Senior, captain is Habiba. Habiba, please come. And the other participants were Deepti Srivastava, Shruti Srivastava, Mariam Fatma, Fiza Naz, Divyanshi and Kashifa. The runners-up of Kho-Kho Girls Senior, captain again Habiba, please be here. She is the runner-up of Kho-Kho Girls. And the other participants are Shruti, Mariam, Fiza, Divyanshi, Kashifa, Anvika, Sabika, Khushi Gupta and Khushi Yadav. The last is the winner of Kho-Kho Girls Senior, captain is Shrishti. Shrishti, please come. Shrishti and the other participants were Deepti Srivastava, Vanshika Rai, Sana, Nandini Raj, Shruti Srivastava, Alnas Ara, Pragalbha, Mehvish and last but not the least Priyanshi. Thank you, Director Sir, for your precious time.
अभी मुझ में कहीं बाकी थोड़ी सी जिंदगी जगी धड़कन नहीं जाना जिंदा हूँ मैं तो अभी कुछ ऐसी लगन इस लम्हे में है ये लम्हा कहाँ था इसे छू लूं जरा मर जाऊं या जी लूं जरा खुशियाँ चूम लूं या रो लूं जरा मर जाऊं या जी लूं जरा अभी मुझे बाकी थोड़ी सी है धूप में जलते हुए तन को छाया मेरी लूट बच्चे की हंसी जैसे
And delightful good afternoon to the going-to-be ladies and gentlemen present over here. But before I proceed, I request you all to be silent for a few minutes. A2. Not just a different section, but a different world in its own. A totally different emotion. For me, the most explicit batch of combination of the students of all kinds, it has always been in my heart. Since the very day I got my section changed from A1 to A2. So I want to dedicate every word that I will speak today to all my batchmates of A2. These 2 years have been the most dynamic one of my whole school life. I am totally changed from what I was back in class 10 to what I am now. All credit goes to my friends. And all this I am saying is in a positive way. I mean, I am really thankful for this change. From struggling to pass a test, to enjoying every moment, from sharing seats and lunch, to sharing memories, all of us have come a long way together. It will always be the reason that will bring nostalgia and smile on our faces, but also it will hurt us. Not the memories, but the fact that it is all just a memory and not a present anymore. To every face that I see today, I have a different story to tell. If a book was to be written on the badge, it would surely consist at least 1,000 pages. A2 has given every student a different state of mind, not only to its students, but also to the institution. We had the topper, the most mischievous one, and all-rounder. But I personally love the most is the bond of unity that we shared. And I am really fortunate and thankful to be a part of this batch. I am really thankful to every one of you, but we won't be united physically anymore. Today is the last time that we are together. Some of us may never meet again in life, while with some more days are left to be shared. But I am sure that we will always be united with heart, no matter what. And no matter wherever we will be. Concluding my speech, I wish all of you all the best of luck for your life. Work hard and don't stop before you get where you want to go. Love you guys. Thank you.
Good morning, Honorable Director Sir, Principal Ma'am, Vice Principal Ma'am, all teachers, our juniors and fellow classmates. We, Shweta and Astha, on behalf of you, to give our signature to this farewell and make it more and more memorable for us. We want to give our tribute to our teachers, to remember our school days and to spread positive attitude toward our future in our spirit and soul through some songs. We hope you all enjoy and find these all songs near to your heart. Guys, the two hardest thing is to say in life the hello for the first time and goodbye for the last time. But there are no goodbyes for us because you will always be in our heart. Teachers, we never think about saying goodbye to you. We will always leave in the form of habit you taught in our school life. So this song is dedicated to our teachers who taught us and who loved us. So be careful. Let us start. We love you teachers, we praise you teachers, we thank you teachers for everything. We love you teachers, we praise you teachers, we thank you teachers for everything. सच्चे सच्चे दिल से करते हैं हमें हम आपको नमन, आपको नमन. We love you teachers, we praise you teachers, we thank you teachers for everything. इस जीवन में पढ़ना लिखना हमको सिखाए हैं. इस जीवन में पढ़ना लिखना हमको सिखाए हैं. अनसुने सवालों को पल में सुलझाए हैं. डांटिया डराए हमको आँखों से, प्यार झलकता है उनकी हर बातों से. डांटिया डराए हमको आँखों से, प्यार झलकता है उनकी हर बातों से. सच्चे सच्चे दिल से करते हैं हमें हम आपको नमन, आपको नमन. We love you teachers, we praise you teachers, we thank you teachers for everything. We love you teachers, we praise you teachers, we thank you teachers for everything. We love you teachers, we praise you teachers, we thank you teachers for everything. दोस्तों, आज स्कूल का आखिरी दिन है और आने वाली जिंदगी के लिए सबने कुछ न कुछ तो सोच रखा होगा. लेकिन सबसे मजेदार बात ये है कि हम दोनों ने अपने लिए तो कुछ सोचा ही नहीं है. और आज स्कूल का लास्ट दिन है तो हमें सिर्फ एक ही ख्याल बार बार आ रहा है और वो क्या है? पापा कहते हैं बड़ा नाम करेगी, बेटी हमारी ऐसा काम करेगी. पापा कहते हैं बड़ा काम करेगी, बेटी हमारी ऐसा काम करेगी. मगर ये तो कोई न जाने कि मेरी मंजिल है कहाँ. पापा कहते हैं बड़ा नाम करेगी, बेटी हमारी ऐसा काम करेगी. मगर ये तो कोई न जाने कि मेरी मंजिल है कहाँ. कहते हैं मिलके सब यार अपने, सबके दिलों में अरमानी है. तू जिंदगी में फरियाद करेगा, हर एक नजर का सपना ये है. कोई इंजीनियर का काम करेगा, बिजनेस में कोई अपना नाम करेगा. कोई इंजीनियर का काम करेगा, बिजनेस में कोई अपना नाम करेगा. मगर ये तो कोई न जाने कि मेरी मंजिल है कहाँ. कहते हैं बड़ा नाम करेगी, बेटी हमारी ऐसा काम करेगी. हर जिंदगी को एक किनारा चाहिए, हर जिंदगी को एक किनारा चाहिए, हर शख्स को एक सहारा चाहिए. जिंदगी कट सके हंसते हंसते, इसलिए दोस्त तुमसा एक प्यारा चाहिए. तुझ में रात मेरी, तुझ में दिन मेरे, लम्हा एक जीना मैं तो बिन तेरे. है तेरे साथ सफर, जाना मुझे है किधर, कि बीत जाए तुझ में ये उम्र. तुझ में लम्हा एक जीना मैं तो बिन तेरे. है तेरे साथ सफर, जाना मुझे है किधर, कि बीत जाए तुझ में ये उम्र. एक पल भी एक तू ही यार मेरा, मुझको क्या दुनिया से लेना, मुझको देना। एक तू ही यार मेरा, मुझको क्या